Hey guys, Student21 here. You wouldn't 3D print a 3D printer, right? That would be dumb, right?
I am a fucking architect.
No, I'm just kidding. I didn't just 3D print a 3D printer. That'd be dumb. I made two of them. Yeah, so this is Theta. That's washing machine. These are my two 3D printed 3D printers, and I'm just making a little video going over them. You know. All right, so this is washing machine. It's called that because it's so light that whenever it's printing, it just starts shaking like a washing machine. Yeah, I'll give you the overview. Everything's 3D printed in like ABS for the frame, right? So there's kind of some warping like over here and there, but not too big of a deal. The thing cannot print straight lines sometimes. It's probably because like my belt routing just didn't leave a lot of tolerances, because sometimes the belt would right up on the pulley and screw up everything. And, like, it went through like 3 sets of belts, I think. Yeah, I had to bend the bolt I put in because that would bend the entire frame so the bearing would finally be aligned. But anyway, I got like a clone dual drive extruder.
Part of it's already like broken off. I don't use this thing that much. Leveling this thing's bed sucks because it's got like 3 screws, right? No auto bed leveling sensor, nothing. It's also got a positron hot end. That's neat. It was designed for the older one though. So this fan, right, pushes air and hits straight to the hot end. So doesn't do great with part cooling, and low-key just gives me like thermal overflow errors, but we don't gotta talk about that. Yeah, leveling this thing sucks.
So this is Theta. It's way better than a washing machine. Like, washing machine is a total piece of junk, but yeah, let me walk you through the basic features. As you can see, there's no hot end attached because when I tried changing out the nozzles, I low-key broke the bimetallic heat break in half. They don't sell replacements, so I had to buy a whole new hot end because I was using some like random, just some random ass hot end. You can actually take off every acrylic panel on this thing in like a minute.
You can actually take off every acrylic panel on this thing in like a minute. So yeah, I have like cans on top of the lid. You don't have to put them out, but if you pull them out, like, I don't know, yeah. Take the lid off and just put it over here. I'm pretty acrylic this thing is horrible because I did not know what I was doing. Here's the door, this is the front of the door. I can just take out. These are rubber bands, like, in the panel, so they won't like rattle. I just like shove the rubber bands in there. Will be helped a lot with the sound reduction, but $60.
Yeah, I try to make this machine like the most clean build I ever did. A lot of like design language type of thingies. If you look at basically every part of this machine is some form of rounded square, I guess, but a rectangular prism. Another clone extruders in there. This is actually a detachable power cord if you like unscrew the back. Yeah, pretty nice little machine.